Now for the ride home. Let's do it. Let's go, guys. The ride home is never as fun as the ride down. Because one, you have to pedal, and two, it's harder to do.
Let's take a break right here in the chase.
Alright, we're gonna take a break. We'll catch up with you guys in a second.